Hey everyone. So yesterday we posted our trade on USDCAD and we were looking at the buy and we had all our price action to get in, and as you can see the market came back down. But wait, hold up. Just because the market came back down doesn't mean we didn't have any profit. 100% of traders earn profit. 1% are successful. The difference is, well, to keep it simple, is greed. So I'll explain why now. So we're on the 1 hour. We can see that we went through Asian, London. We went through Tokyo, we went through Asian, and we went through London. Now we're in New York session because it's 2 p.m. So if we go back to the 15-minute and we move it over, we can see we had our triple bottom, we had our inverted head and shoulders, and we got in right here. We drew fibs from our low to the high. This is right before this happened. If you want to take it up here, let's do this. There we go. We caught this whole candle and our stop loss is in profit after this entry, right? So we're playing around with this. We're up 10 pips. We come back down, a pip in profit, and then we're at the high over here. So 20 pips to be done with it, right? So some people may say that's not a lot of pips. Look, points are points. Money is money. Whether it's a penny, whether it's $100 or a dollar, money is money. Points are points. So we subtract ourselves from how much money it is because we don't use that emotion, that attachment to money. No, it's a value in a market. So we want to make sure that we understand our risk management and we know when to get in and when to get out. So we got in over here. The market came up. This is the high we're looking at. Obviously, it never came up here. So we had 20 pips. Stop losses at break even over here. If you got in over here, this is the real entry right down here. So here, stop losses at break even, it didn't hit it. That's still our pip in profit. If not, you didn't even have to move your stop loss, and that's what got us out before, because our stop loss was moved too early. You have to give your trade time to move. Once it does, you have all this price action over here. Once you saw this bear candle, you're out. So our stop loss is at break even, and the trade went against us. Look how much drawdown you would have been in. Now, if you had a trading plan, we actually went over this trading plan for how many pips a day we should have with our group, with our students. If you have a trading plan, 20 pips right here, buyers took their profits and sellers also came in. There wasn't enough momentum, so people are closing their trades. That's why this is going down. Now, as we went down, we had price action over here. If we zoom in more, there's our bearish engulfing candle coming over here. Second leg, market settled and continued going down. This is the retest of this area and continue going down. We actually caught trades on EUR AUD last night, just like that. We called a sell and then we called the buy. Let me see if I can pull that up for everyone really quick. Okay, that's loading up. So there we go. Market came up here. We're in on the buy, right? We can see that the market came to this high, came back down to our entry, and came back over here. Wait, this is also a double top now. Put on the line chart. Look at that. Here and here. Breakout, retest, retest, go for the low. These arrows, we went over our price action, inverted. This was the area of opportunity we got in. This is the second one. Inverted head and shoulders as well. Now, I'm going to go back and look at some other pairs with the group. I just want to see if I can pull this. I can. So, let's go up here. This is UCAD that we went over. UCAD was bad, just got stopped out, like I said. Okay. Oh, yep, we called a sell on it right here. You can see right there, explaining that price action. And then this is the immediate sell as well. Where is that? Come on. Was it just UCAD? Oh, nope, here's the buy. There we go. Breakout and retest. There it is. So look at that. I had to sell on it originally, but then we had this trend line. It broke out. It retested it. And we explained all of that. That's the finesse. You have to wait. You have time. There's plenty of time to enter trades. You don't have to feel overwhelmed. There's still ways to make money, even if your trade goes against you. You just have to monitor it. You have to understand risk management. And we teach all of that at Forex with Finesse. Guys, please follow us at Forex with Finesse on Instagram, on Facebook. Our Gmail is tradingwithfinesse@gmail.com. Please reach out to us, subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to seeing you guys on our next Zoom or our next channel. Take care.